Welcome guys. Today I am going to talk about being positive, how to remain positive in any condition. And this is what is going to be a small video. I hope you're going to like it. If you like it, please press the like button and share among your friends and your colleagues, your groups, and subscribe to this channel, right? Being positive is very important, and it is like in any situation where there is a not so positive situation, everybody is negative, you must stand out like this gentleman or this ball who is always smiling, right? So this is the whole intention, and hope all of you are healthy and happy and energetic in this condition where we are in right now, right? So it is very important that the future is going to be unfolding soon, and it is not going to be the same which we have seen earlier. It is going to be different, it is going to be challenging, and we must not bog down by this, whatever future is going to be unfolding, but you must be ready, right? We must be ready with only one thing, with the positive mindset. The best way to predict future is to create it. So this is a chance where everybody is a pause situation right now. The chance is there to create your own future. Now it is in your hand whether you create positive or you create negative. We are going to talk about positivity here, right? The future will unfold for everybody the same. It's going to be for the organizations, is going to be the same for the individuals. It is how they react is very important. The situation is same. How some people go ahead and some people remain behind is the only thing, is their reaction to that situation. If someone is reacting positively, he will go ahead. If someone is reacting negatively, he will remain behind. So a lot of corona issues are here, but I am sure the future will be in your own hands. Remember, winner is a dreamer who never give up. So you must start dreaming. You must be able to ready to overcome whatever challenge is going to be coming at you. You must be having the winning thinking behind it. It is very important in this situation of lockdown. Hope you have taken time off to think what you have done better in your earlier things and what could have been better. You must be able to put the mirror in front of you and start thinking, start introspection, because it's a time for you to become ready. If you waste such time by watching TVs, watching social medias, watching gossips, it is not going to help you. Remember, you must be able to introspect daily on your past, start learning from there, start getting some inputs on what you could have done better. And another thing, you must be start getting more skills, because we're going forward, people with multiple skills are always going to win the race. Add skills rather than spending time on social media. Social media, there are a lot of skills which are available. There's a lot of free skills, a lot of free certificates. Use this. Don't get into the gossip things. I'm sure you must have planned some actions, because when the future starts unfolding, you'll start taking action, and you are ready like this and raring to go when the situation unfolds. And this is the mindset which I'm sure everyone is in, and it's very important, right? Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Don't waste your time right now to compare with other people, what this person is doing, what that person is doing. If you start spending time, you lose a lot of precious time. This is time you must be able to start investing it, right? You must not think about competition. You should think about creation, creating what you can do. Don't talk about or don't think about what others are doing. Very important. Think of creation, not the competition, right? Don't compare with yourself, anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. So it's an insult for you. Don't do this. Play with 100%. Play with a lot of confidence. Show some flexibility. You can see earlier the operations theatre or ICUs were like this, but the health industry has shown flexibility. Even they started creating ICUs into parking lots, open grounds. That kind of flexibility is there. People are doing this, giving this, showing this. You must be able to start this. Health industry has shown this, right? And when doubt creates a mountain, faith tunnels through it. You should have faith in yourself, and whenever there is a doubt, that faith should be able to help you to go through that kind of situation, negative situation, or that kind of mountain which comes in. So the faith will create a tunnel to go out on the other side of the mountain. So this is what I want to talk to you. Thank you very much for patient listening.